Hello dear traders, it's Petko Alexandrov, and in this lecture I will show you the setup for the next strategy for dollar yen, which is on M5, and also here I use M30 and H1 as confirmation with the MACD indicator but with different parameters, and for the rest three strategies there are no such confirmations, so this is just for the pound dollar and for the dollar yen. Now this strategy is from my top 10 dollar yen expert advisors course. So basically I selected the best strategy out of this course. And when I say the best, it means that it performs the best till the moment. Of course, if any of the strategies start to perform better in the future, I will replace it. But this one at the current moment is the top performer for me. Now I see that I left white here the time and the price, which is from properties, and this is the foreground. It was left to white because the background was black, but now I have to switch it. Okay, here it is, so we can see the time and we can see the price. And I will just save the template so it will apply to the new charts when I open them. I will replace it with the white background. Here it is. Okay, save. Yes, I want to replace it. And now let me open two more chart windows. One will be for 30, one will be for H1. I will apply the template, white background. Here it is. Let me move it next to the M5 and as well H1 template, white background, and I will move it again here next to the M30. Okay, now these vertical lines that you see, these are the midnight. Basically they separate the days. If I take the crosshair, you will see this is exactly at midnight until midnight, and you can remove it as well or you can leave it, doesn't matter too much. Basically you know when the day started. Now what I'm using for this strategy on H1, as I said, it's again the MACD indicator but with different parameters. So I go to custom MACD, and on H1 I have 12, 14 and 9. Okay, here it is below. Now on M30 I will have again MACD but with parameters 12, 42 and 9. I click on OK. And here it is. Now on M5 I will have the Ichimoku indicator. This is what the strategy is based on. It's in the trend indicators, Ichimoku. And for the Ichimoku we have the Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and we have the cloud, which is calculated from the Senkou span B and Senkou span A. And the parameters here are Tenkan Sen 9, Kijun Sen it will be 34, and the Senkou span B will be 72. I click on OK and you will see how it is displayed over the chart. This is the cloud, this one over here. And the most popular strategy with this indicator is that the cloud plays the role as a support and resistance. Basically if the price is above the cloud, it plays the role as a support. If the price is below the cloud, as in the current moment, the cloud is resistance. We have the blue line and the red line. The red line, this is the Tenkan Sen, and the blue line, this is the Kijun Sen. And we are using in this strategy the Kijun Sen. I will tell you in the next lecture what is the execution of this strategy, where I enter on the market, and I will need one more indicator, which is the Williams percent range. And the Williams percent range, you can find it in the oscillators, Williams percent range. Now the period will be 180. You can see much bigger than the default 14. And as style, I will change the color to red so it will be more visual. And levels, it is -20 and -80 by default. This is just fine. I will click on OK, and here it is. Anyway, we will not use the levels, but we will leave them so we can have an idea when the market is overbought or oversold, but we will use something very simple with the Williams percent range and something very simple with the Ichimoku indicator. And in the next lecture, I will show you how exactly this strategy works. See you there.